You're welcome.
Thank you, Mother.
You're welcome.
Emeka, you never told me say you're a prince.
Hey, Bia, Anofia. As we idiot, you blood sucker. Sieba poa. What I mean is, leave my house. Oh, you thought we would be dead by now. I am still here. I am standing. I am alive. How is it? Listen, my name is Igwe Arinze. I am the Igwe here, so be careful with that name. Do you hear me?
What's your problem? Don't talk to me that way, Kai. If you are Igwe in your place, me I be Alhaji. Ni Alhaji Awurina. Kaji ko? Karajina.
Negin oh, hence can gwage. Sudisi nani, Sibempua, get out of this place. Blood-sucking demon. Leave this place now before I...
Well, lie, if not because your son Emeka is a very good person, I could not come here. Come to insult me. Who are you?
Give me corner now. Give me corner. Get out. What nonsense. What nonsense. I don't want to see you when I return here.
I'll leave your house. You don't talk to me. Well, like now they get on our get on. Now they get on our way. They are pinaka. Can I move my car? Kaiwa. Do them water. You know you can put them water. Shacha kabutu. Do them water. You can't get your hand that I move my car. Eh? Kaiwa, can you go? I wouldn't carry that. I know I wouldn't make a lot. Can I move past on that?
Ijoma, my baby. my baby. The only woman that knows how to turn me on. My love, don't worry. I'm coming back to the village next week. By next week, you will see me in the village. We'll paint the whole town red. Don't worry, I bought that thing for you now. That your number. I know you like a catapult, this thing that you like to wear. I bought it for you. Just cut, my baby. Oh, a business call is coming into my phone. Let me take it. It's my business people. Yes. It's calling me while I was. Wow. Oluchi, my baby. Ole, my baby. My love is not like that. I've been very busy. You know, this my palace work. Don't worry. The money I promised you, I'll send your account number. I'll do the transfer. Oh, I love you. Let me call my original Yuri. Annabelle. Anenwa. Hello? Yes. Annabelle, my baby. The love of my life.
Very good.
I'll call you back. My boss is coming.
So you not only Ogechi, about 4 other women.
Nkiru, how long have you been standing there?
I heard everything you said. I've been there for a very long time.
No,
yes.
See, the truth is, it's not actually what you think. Oh. These are my business associates.
In bed, right?
No, not. Is it only in bed that they do? These are my business associates. You know, there is a part of me that you did not know.
Oh.
I did not tell you about. There is a story about me before I started working in this palace. I was originally an importer. I deal on crayfish. I deal on onions. I go to Calabar, I buy crayfish, and you know, every crayfish is come from her. So this other girl, I'm calling her because I'm supposed to send her money to buy the crayfish. Then she will send it to my agent, the person selling for me. That's what I'm into a lot. Then the other one is she's selling boxers for me, and you know, those bra.
How about the other one?
Yeah, that one too is into another. I'm into general merchandise. That's what you don't know. So it's not as if I can't have. How can one man be dealing with 3, 4? Do I want to die?
You know what? Let's pretend as if nothing happened between the both of us, okay? Because I cannot deal with this. I mean, you have different women that you're dealing with. Really?
No, listen now. See, Nkiru, the truth is, Wait, are you trying to tell me that me and you, that we're not going to be tangling again because of what? You see, easy.
I can't do that anymore. I mean...
You know the implications of what you are trying to do. If you do it, I'm going to report you to the Igwe. I will tell the Igwe everything I know. Everything you have said about him, even his son. And the way you gossip. I will make sure I expose you.
No problem. Go ahead, because I will also tell him about everything you'll be doing in this palace. Yes.
So Nkiru, you are threatening me. Imagine you now. So you are threatening me now. That you are going to report me to the Igwe because of... See, let me tell you, this thing that you are doing is not good though. These things, they are one. Let's stay as we are staying
There is
before.
nothing like that again.
Why are you like this now? Can't you forgive somebody?
You've been lying to me.
Listen now, even the Bible says, if there is no sin, there will not be forgiveness. So everybody makes mistake. Even you too now, are you trying to tell me that you don't make mistakes or you don't do this thing?
I feel sorry for Kichi. Yes.
Come now, come, see. Don't be doing like this, so. See, let me tell you. So you are now trying to tell me that you are now in a hard nut to crack up, yeah? You.
I want to see Tamara.
Kana so ka nuna mun cewa kai mijin kwarai ko?
I want to see Tamara.
Bismillah.
I said I want to see Tamara. My father told me everything that transpired between you and him. And I must say it's a painful occurrence. Very painful. But I was not there when it happened. I do not know the circumstances that led to it. So I don't think I'm in any position to judge anybody. It happened many years ago, when I was a child. Today I'm here. I'm a grown man now. Life has made me meet your daughter. And I'm in love with her. That is why I came here. To tell you the truth, and nothing but the truth. I want to see her.
Will you stop talking rubbish? Amaka, what is your name? So you came into this house to open your mouth and talk us that you are in love with Tamara. Tamara that was given from her children. She was in the betrothed to Aliu. Kai Alaji. He is very, very stupid. He is talking nonsense. Alaji has one of the Hali in Yamuri. He wants to be confusion us. Amoka and my father Nashi Aranzin. They are a conniving to come here and fight you. Yes, he come with a secret mission to first of all confusion us, settle them for your heart, settle them for your daughter Samara, settle them for your money, and after he they kill them for you, he has they settle them from everything you have. Ya Allah, wallahi baramu sorore shi ba. Shi dan bara ne. Kidin banza kidin gofi. Arinan banza arinan gofi. Alhaji, ba ni izini nuna ma wannan yaro cewa mu ne dangiwa. Let me show this one why we are called the descendants of elephant. Dangiwa, ba ni izini in kashi, yayan kaka, tabbatar cewa na nuna maka cewa ni na mijin kwarai ba kai ba. Arinin banza, arinin wofi. Nyamurin banza, nyamurin wofi.
Abubakar.
Ya Alhaji. What are you doing here, Alhaji? I repeat, what are you doing here?
You say, Arinze, I know I offended you. I've searched my conscience. I see that I offended you. I have resolved that even if I no kill your son and you kill my daughter, no problem. No problem. Because it's me who's going to pay me that my daughter, Tamara, is dead. But I offend you. I wish my daughter Tamara is alive today so that he go marry any person he won't marry, no minding the tribe and religion. Wallahi, please Arinze, forgive me. Kajuku, please. Arokeka, I want you to forget everything the past. Everything in the past, forget it. It's me, forget. Please, and forgive me. Please, forget and forgive me.
Alhaji. I've heard you.
Yes.
I've heard you.
You say, thank you. Your son is a good man. Wallahi, your son is a very, very good man. He saved my daughter. Wallahi, not mind him. He saved my daughter. He saved my daughter. He's a good man. Please.
Ama Kagani.
Kagani go.
Alhamdulillah. Alhaji.
Hey.
Tamara,
Hey.
your daughter,
Hey.
is in my house.
Huh? Tamara.
Baba.
Hey. Tamara.
Emeka, my son,
Boy.
you are no longer a boy. The people look up to you, the heir apparent to this throne. It is time to make a decision that will befit your crown.
Yes. Your mother speaks wisdom. A prince needs a wife by his side. A queen in waiting. So, have you finally made up your mind?
Father, I am not ready. I will not be forced into marriage. No.
Wait. Not ready? Emeka, readiness is not a matter of time. It is duty. You know, we have chosen a good woman for you from a noble home.
Yes. A woman of character. woman who will strengthen the throne. Yes. What else do you need in a wife?
Father, I do not need a woman now. I do not need a wife. My heart does not yearn for marriage now. I don't see why both of you are forcing me to get married. Why?
Because your desires are not above the throne. You carry the crown of generations, and you must marry the woman we have chosen.
So you want me to carry the burden of the crown with a woman I do not love?
Tamara.
Baba.
You are my jewel. Wallahi tallahi, you have made me proud because of your obedience.
Nagode, Baba.
May Allah bless you.
Nagode, Baba.
Hey.
I only do what pleases you.
Wow, that is my daughter. That is my daughter. You see, my Tamara, hey, you see, very soon you are going to meet this fine boy I've arranged for you for marriage. The boy is a very nice person. He's from a very good family with honor. You like him. Wallahi talai, if you see this boy, oh, you like him very well. Wallahi talai.
Baba, what if I don't love him?
Ya kina cewa love. Na ce wanda na choose maka kacice ba za ka yi love din shi ba. But you are going to love him. It's me that saw him. You see, happiness is the obedience of the heart. Marriage is of the heart. Kagani, when you want to marry a man, you see a man that is from a very responsible family, is from a very good family, a family with honor. You are going to like him. Kingani, me, your father, is telling you something that is good. Nani mo kamiji me chao. Have you eaten? Tamara. When you see him, you are going to be a very, very happy girl. Tamara na. Have you eaten? Kincha abuchiku. Yeah. Tamara. Sunday.
Salam alaikum.
Amin walaikum salam.
How's your family?
Tamara, my family, wallahi, I did very fine. Tamara, which day is coming back?
2 days ago.
Lele, Tamara, you have a great fa. Wallahi, Tamara, just look at this one, Tamara, of yesterday fa. You are very, very right for marriage, Tamara. Kai.
Now good day.
Good. You are a Woloko, Tamara. You are a Woloko. Kai. Assalamu alaikum. Hello? Awalawo? It's Abubakar. Abubakar Idrisu. What do you mean?
I don't no, Kai, Awara, be very careful, man. Why are you doing like this to me? I am Abubakar Idrisu. You hear over people, well, like, you can never talk one thing and Satan for it. If you talk one thing, if you do another. Kai, be very careful. Don't try nonsense with people. Kai Awala, listen carefully. If the business is not working, I have paid you my money, my hard-earned money. I sell my cows to raise that money. It is transparent to you. Listen, if that business is not working, I want to give me fuck my money. Return my money to me. Because Kai, listen, anytime will lie if I am trouble and come to Abado. If I come to Abado, will lie to lie. Don't talk. I will not tell you what I will do with you. What is Kai? Never follow with him. Bring me my money. If not,
Abubakar.
yeah, Alhaji.
What's your problem? Me ya faru.
Kai Alhaji, wallahi tallahi I talk you. Kaga Igbo, kaga Yarabawa, Nyamuri, da Balarabe, wallahi dukan su biyu the same thing. Kafirin banza arinan wafi. Wallahi their character is not everything that somebody can be very happy about. Jim Balarabe, I fear money. We do our business.
Abubakar.
Nakam Alhaji.
Let me tell you something. Kanajinna, business in the whole world is not sweet now. I am a businessman. Kasan ina da company. Kanajinna ko? Kanajinna? To. Nobody is perfect in business now. Business for the whole world is not sweet again. So caricature way Bararabe Nyamili ko what of Arewa?
Alhaji wallahi Arewa is very
Ni ba Arewa ba?
To our people is
Ni ba Arewa ba? Ya kana yi wannan magana. In the whole world now, business is not too good. Kajimku? Yeah? To Abubakar. Let me tell you something. Nyamiri ko Igbo, suna yin business. Arewa suna yin business. Tu Barabe ko Yoruba kana kakira su suna yin business.
Amma ba bring them. Wallahi wanda awala wai na bashi kudi.
Wannan shuru. Kai mun shuru na magana.
Sorry Alhaji, sorry ya Allah. Sorry.
Kagan business is either you fail, you learn, or you gain, you learn. Shine business. Ina Yoruba, ina Igbo, ina Arewa. Kajuko? To abun wadin na so ngiya maka. You are too hot-tempered. Ni Alhaji Umar ina the company. That ina the hot temper haka. Can I get my own company? You have to be patient with your business partner. You have to be patient. For you to be a very successful businessman and have peace in your life, you have to accommodate everybody that come your way. Kajiku?
Naji Alhaji. Balarabe banza, Balarabe gobe.
Ina magana ce Balarabe.
Ya Alhaji, wallahi I sell them for my cow ba. I sell them for plenty of my cow. I dey pay this money to give me goods. See they call it, they tell me what say dan bareni. Alhaji, I am a peace pa. I am a peace. Wallahi in a peace with everybody. I never concerned. I dey hear you. Hear you, ya Allah. Hear you.
That boy, that stubborn boy. Emeka has forgotten that without a queen, his reign will be weak in the eyes of the councils.
He has his father's blood. Strong-willed and unbending. But I bent. I bent for the throne when my time came.
Good. Then he too shall bend, because I will not watch him disgrace this family with excuses. He must marry the woman we have chosen for him. If it means to fight his stubbornness with my own hands, I will do it. I will do it. You're welcome once again, Helena, my daughter.
Your Majesty, I'm honored. And thank you for receiving me.
You're welcome. Please feel free. This royal palace is now your home. Anything you need, you let me know. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Helena, my daughter, my heart is now at peace for having you in this royal palace. And you are everything a mother could desire for her son.
Your Majesty, I'm honored for trusting me. I only pray I can live up to your expectations.
Of course you will. You already have. And I'm sure Emeka, my son, will like you once he sees you. Yes.
I just hope so.
You will. Please, like I said, whatever you need, you let me know.
Thank you.
This royal home is your home. You will. Just feel free. Feel free. Everywhere here, anything you want, you let me know. Oh. Emeka, my son, please meet Helena, the lady I've been talking to you about.
Greetings, my prince. It's my honor to meet you.
Nice. How do you do?
I'm good.
Excuse me.
Emeka.
Yep.
Papa wants me to meet a certain guy. Yes. Ali is the one managing the company. He wants me to marry him. I cannot marry him. I don't love him. How can I marry a guy I don't love? No, I don't love him. I can't. What are you saying? I can't marry. I can't marry Arun. I can't marry him. Junior. No.
Tamara, what is that nonsense I am hear from your mouth? Tamara, who are you speaking to?
Alhaji, it was my friend.
Which of my friend?
Amina.
Amina, to the daughter of Alhaji Atiku Manjibri? No.
Yes.
And what did you tell Amina to?
Alhaji,
Listen. And listen tentatively. Samara,
Alhaji.
I will pretend that I did not hear from anything you are speaking to Aminatu under one condition, that you will never ever say something like that again, and that you will behave as if nothing is happened. That you behavior as if nothing like that is happening. Listen and listen carefully. You are going to marry Aliu. Aliu is my betrothed to you. Therefore, I want you to understand very well. You know that the Alhaji, your father, and Aliu's father, they are a very good friend and a business partner. Therefore, the two of me, I want you and Aliu to be in the marriage so that the relationship, the friendship between the two families will never end. Even after they is going to Allah, the relationship is continuing. Are you understand me? I don't want to be here anything like that again. You must promise me that you will marry Jambo Aliu. Because if you are well, and I am here, you talk any nonsense again, I will tell me Alhaji your father. And you know what your father will do. Wallahi tallahi, your father is they killing me. I they feed my meat to the animals. Are you understand me?
Abubakar, ina son tambaye ka wani abu.
Ci gaba Allah.
To, what is it that my daughter told you that made you very, very angry?
Ranka dai. Abun shine to I will not be going into detail because once abun da zan kawo hawan jini, I don't want anything that will bring about high blood pressure for you. I can only talk to you that you should make sure that the marriage between Aliu and Tamara is prepared, organized, and consummated. Let all of me marry themselves. Yes, because the earlier is the better. Yeah? Da hanzari a tabbatar cewa an hada wasu aure. In ba haka ba to ranka dai, I am very, very fearful. I am very, very fearful. Wallahi, I am fearful.
Hello, Miss Helen.
Majesty.
Your Highness.
Most welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. I hope your trip was pleasurable.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Maidens, escort her to her chambers and ensure that she is comfortable.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Come in.
Greetings, my prince. Dinner is served.
I'm not hungry.
Really? Thank you. Can I have it? Yeah, I need to make up for my prince. I need to look good. Oh my goodness. How do I look?
So
beautiful. Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright.
Very good. So beautiful. Are you sure?
Yeah. My goodness. Can't wait. Let's go.
Who is it?
Greetings, my friends. Please forgive me for coming at this hour. I couldn't sleep, knowing you were on your way.
You should have stayed in your room. I sent for you.
How can I? My heart is restless. It means your mother loves me as her daughter already. I only wish I can be the one to bring you joy and happiness. Please. Please, if you can let me make you happy. Just let me make you happy tonight. I am here because I care about you. Please, accept me. Please, I'm not your enemy.
You're here because my mother wants you to. You're here because my mother sent you to come here. That's what my parents want. Not because I asked you to come to my room. I didn't request for you. Just leave me. Leave. I want to be left alone. I was doing something before you came. Please leave my room.
Did you see how Elena walked into the prince's room? It's not all about her sneaking to the prince's room. It's about the prince's reaction. Let's wait and hear what the prince will say. Yes. Let's go inside.
Hey. Stop it. So this is what you people now do in this palace, or
I'm not doing anything.
Shut up, my friend. Don't talk when I'm talking. I heard every of your conversation. Listen, if you don't want to get yourselves in trouble, you better mind that particular job that brought you to this palace and leave Asiri. Oh yeah, go back to your... Come on, go. Sorry, and you, come here. I'm not done. You move. Come here. I'm not done with you yet. You are the one that is... God, see. Let's go back there so that I finish what we have. So you have to be very careful in this palace.
Your Majesty, I did as you asked me to, but he hates me so much. He asked me to leave his room as if I'm nothing. This has been happening. Your Majesty, this is not the first. This is not the second or the third time he's walking me out of his room. I am tired. I'm fed up. Your Majesty, I'm tired.
Helena, stop crying. I said you should stop crying. Emeka is my son. Yes, he is stubborn. But his stubbornness cannot stop his father's plan.
My queen, he hates me so much. He can never love me. I can feel it in his eyes.
My dear, forget about love for now. Obedience is enough. I will talk to him and make him understand that this marriage is not his choice, but his destiny.
You promised, Your Majesty.
Yes, I promise. With my powers, you are going to be Emeka's wife, whether he likes it or not. Stop crying. I told you to always keep your eyes open and listen to my son's conversation. Any information?
Yes, Your Majesty. I overheard him talking to someone on the phone. That is not Helena. Her name is Tamara.
Tamara.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Tamara. Are you sure about this?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come on. Emeka, do you have any idea how humiliated that girl felt? I asked her to come to your room last night, and she obeyed me as her future mother-in-law and did what I asked her to do. What did you use in repaying her? By shouting at her and driving her out of the room with tears.
What are you saying? Future mother-in-law, how? Huh? You still don't understand this. Have I agreed to marry her? I haven't. Why are you and father forcing me into marriage that I don't want to do? Why?
Emeka, whatever I and your father is doing is for your own good and the good of this kingdom. Helena is from a noble home, well-groomed, respectful, God-fearing. I mean, tell me, what else do you want in a woman as a wife?
I am not a child. Okay? People talk to me as if I'm 20 years old. I am not a child. I should be left to make my own choice. You always tell me that marriage is for happiness. Yes. So allow me to choose the person that will make me happy.
Marriage without responsibility is foolishness. Yes. It's not all about your happiness, Emeka. It's about stability, honor, alliance. Remember, you're a prince, Emeka. Your life is not just your own. You consider so many things while living your life. You consider the kingdom, the throne.
Mother, if you and father continue doing this, I'll be left with no other option than to leave this palace.
Don't you ever say that to my hearing. Leave to where, if I may ask? Emeka, you have no choice than to marry that girl we have chosen for you.
I have no choice. I beg to take my leave, mother.
We are not playing. We are not playing. I know. Put down. I leave some boys there. Put down. I know mercy. And do one. You want to escape? You want to escape and do one. Do one. So what me on now? So that's what you want to I want to escape. I know mercy.
Why are you breathing like this?
Helena,
My queen.
nightmares. It keeps reoccurring. Each time I close my eyes, I hear the cry of men, women, and children. Burnt houses. Assassins from the north. And how we finally escaped. I am sure this is a sign of danger. Yes, a sign that danger is ahead of us. I am so scared. I'm scared of my husband. I'm scared of my son and the entire kingdom.
My queen, please, let it go. These things happened in the past. And I believed it can't reoccur now. You're a lioness. And I'm here for you. Please.
Helena, you don't understand. I am trying to let it go. Yes, I'm trying to let it go, but you see, I am so confused.
It's okay, my queen. It's okay, please.
Let me be, Papa, let me be. Let me be, let me be. None we understand how I feel. You don't understand how I feel. It's not about what you want from me. It is
Father, I have had enough of this. Believe me. Maybe it's because I'm always here in the palace. I mean, anytime you look around, you see me. I even work in your company. I chose to work in your company because I want to continue your legacy. That's why I'm being treated like a child. So I think I've had enough. I will leave your company for you. I'll go out there, get a job for myself. At least that way you won't be seeing me all the time, so you can't talk to me anyhow and tell me crap.
Son, you feel you have grown up. But look at the situation. I still remain your father. And if I'm your father, then I should be able to tell you what to do.
All right. Does that include telling me who to marry and who not to marry?
Emeka, what has come over you? Why are you talking to your father in such manner?
Ask him. Is he a mother? Ask him.
About what he wants from me. It is not about what he wants from me. Yeah. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you see? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you feel? I'm in love. Someone is deep.
I want us to talk like adults. All right? You're not a child. I am not a child. I have nothing against you. I do not hate you. Just that I don't have feelings for you. And if I don't have feelings for you, I cannot make you my wife. It's just as simple as that. Look, what my parents are doing is wrong. You cannot force two adults to get married. It doesn't make sense. I mean, how are we going to live? Even if they achieve it, and how do we live? Like, we go into our house and there's no love. How do we live? All right? It doesn't make sense. You're a very beautiful lady. Please just listen and understand me. I don't mean to hurt your feelings, but we're adults. I need to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. You're a very beautiful lady. All right? You have all a man would want. You know, there'll be men out there who would desire you. Just not me. I don't have feelings for you. That's the way it is. And if I don't have feelings for you, I cannot make you my wife. I hope you understand this.
Yes, I understand, my prince. Thank you. But...
There is no but. I just asked you, I said, I hope you understand this. And you said yes, so what's the but for? There is no but. I don't have feelings for you, so I cannot marry you. Doesn't mean you're not a good person, doesn't mean you're not beautiful, but I just can't marry you, okay? Thank you for understanding. Excuse me.
Yesterday, I hear people, yesterday night, people, they shout outside. Near my gate. What happened? Naji.
Well, it was one man and his wife, like, that man has been disturbing this area. Well, yana damumu. Jia shagi akoya dawena ta huka. Mukaya sandaja antepedeshi wallahi jia.
Why all of you have not told me about that man? All this why every day you say he makes noise every. Why have you not told me about him?
We brought police, they say they were lying kama shantepedeshi jia.
And I care so.
Yana said. Asasha wa kanta.
Ya Alhaji, Nyamri sun riga sun yi aikinsu. Ya Alhaji, you made me to understand that Musa Chukwudi, Musa Chukwudi is your very good friend and business partner, that he will make sure we win the contract. He has given the contract to an evil one like him. Wallahi, I got there, all they are doing to me is as if I am a children. If I am talking this one, they will be talking the other. Making a very, very foolishness of me in the presence of everybody. I am never knowing that he has gone to the back to give the contract to a fellow Nyamuri. Elijah, I'm telling you, wallahi, tallahi, you have to be very careful with Nyamri. All your dealings with these people, be very careful. Nyamri can never change his character. Nyamri, Alaji, na ama, sorareni ranka dede. Nyamri, basu da woni hali mba chucha motani. They always do everything to make fool of people, just to make money. They can do anything possible. Wallahi basu da imani. Sai olakanci kawai.
Abubakar.
Na'am, Alhaji.
Na sani wai akwai mutane a cikin Inyamiri wanda suna cuce mutane.
Gaba ɗayansu.
Kuma kuwa akwai mutane a cikin Hausawa wanda suna cuce mutane. Ko ba ka ba? So I want you to understand that it's not every man that is a cheat. We have cheat in Nyamiri, we have cheat in Hausawa.
Amma nasu ya fi karfi.
Na sani. Chukudi, ni ya cuce ni yau, any other person might not cuce ni. Ka gane?
Raka dai na gane, amma dai Nyamiri, be very, very careful with them. Be very careful with Nyamiri. Do every of your business with mutumin Arewa. Leave Nyamiri. Nyamiri is very, very wickedness. Wallahi, say that ayukudi. Anyhow the money come, get it. Shini hali Nyamiri. Kuma is never good.
Kana yin magana kaman baka sani Alhaji Umar kuma ba. You know what I can do. You know what I cannot do. You hear me?
Okay.
Ka san ne sosai. Ka san abubuwan da zai yi. Ko ba haka ba?
Haka
ne. Eh?
To,
so leave it. Leave it like that. They get good ones, they get bad ones.
Father, I do not understand. Is this what the excitement is all about? Arranging a wife for me?
Sam, sit down. Now here it is. This man here is your father. I know what's best for you. You have absolutely no knowledge about marriage. So, you need guidance. Let your father guide you. And there is no way your father will not guide you aright. Okay?
Father, it's my life we're talking about. I cannot marry somebody I barely know. Come on.
Well, you will marry Helena. She's the daughter of my most trusted ally. See, this marriage is bigger than you. It's greater than you. It's about kingdoms and our legacy.
Father, you cannot force me. I say no. I am not a child. You cannot force me to marry somebody I barely know. No, it cannot happen. No, Father, I say no. What happens to love? I mean, what happens to happiness, my joy, my life? No!
So now you are shouting at me, your father. That's it. Raising your voice at me. For what? Now listen, son. When we talk about marriage, this is something your father has been at. I have been at this marriage and I've had the experience for 50, 60, 70 years plus. I've gotten to the apex. so I can look down and guide you as you ascend, one after the other, one after the other. That's how it goes. You miss one step, you go crashing down.
Baba, I cannot marry a man I have no feelings for.
Tamara, what do you know about feelings? You know, I stayed with your mother. I stayed in peace. I lived in peace with your mother before she died. May her soul rest in peace. Eh? You are telling me you cannot marry him because of feelings? Mainly kissing about feelings. You are my only daughter. I want the good thing for you. Eh? I want good thing for you.
Baba, that was your generation. Women had no voice. Lokochi ya Chenza.
Tamara, you walking out on me? Tamara! Ina Abubakar. Abubakar.
Ya.
Zo nan.
Ya Alhaji.
Zo. Abubakar.
Ranka dade.
Kagin abun da ya faru yanzu.
Ranka dade.
Tamara ya walking out on me?
Ranka dade. You see why I took you. I tell you that wallahi tallahi bai kamata a kai yarinyan makarantar boko. You see why I don't like anything wallahi na ki boko kwata-kwata a rayuwana. I am telling you that none of my girl will ever go to boko. Sai dai sangaya. Kuma zai yi boko farayin wari wallahi farayin wari si. Then I will be married her out so that she will be enter into her husband's house and live peacefully with the husband and very, very respectful. You see, you are sent Tamara to Jamia in the bus. To Gahalin Jamia. She is a guardian. She's an open eye. She is never respectful again. I told you, don't send her to Jamia. You are telling me, don't worry, I will send her to Jamia so that she will be education and when she is come back, she will be managed for my company. Kashi, wallahi tallahi dalili naki boko. Look at it. Tamara is walk out from you. This is very, very disrespectful. Makarantar boko wallahi ba amfaninsa. Very, very disgraceful wallahi. Very, very disgraceful. Tamara, what is my problem with you? Yeah? Why is me behaving very, very nonsense? To the extent you are working out from your father. Yeah? Your father is sending you to Jamia in the school so that you will learn and come back. And this is the way I want to find your father by insulting him. Yeah, Tamara. I did stupid. I did very, very mad. That my father is in the talking to you and you are in the going up and getting out of my father. Yeah. Tamara, wallahi tallahi, I was even against you going to Makarantar Boko. But your father refused and sent you to Jamia. In this way, I want you to go there and get education and come back and take control of my company.
Is this the way I want to show him and say thank you for what I am done for you? Yeah, tomorrow. To the extent you as here, standing and talking nonsense to Alhaji. Don't you know who your father is? Wallahi, tallahi, you would notice that you are the daughter of Alhaji. Wallahi, nothing was easy in Alhaji. Wallahi, I will be killing you. Are you stupid? You don't know who your father is? Somebody that's nowhere I they going. Some everybody I they stand and look me in the eye. I do nothing. I will kill them person. You are here doing nothing because it's your father. Be very careful. Tamara, be very careful. Don't try this nonsense next time. Wallahi babanki, sonki ne. Babanki hana sonki. Yayi laifi ne da ya kai ki makarantar boko. Ki dawo. Ki aure. Ki loving din husband naki. You the marriage in the marriage at the enjoyment of marriage with my husband. Be very good girl. You are a well-raised. Yeah. Stop in the insulting of your father. Be very careful. Be very, very careful in Gabiki. Be very careful. Come on, will you come here and then apologize to your father? Tamara, now come before your father and apologize.
Kayafeni, I'm sorry.
Allah, ya poeta. Forgive her. Halin yara ne. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Wallahi tallahi, I know she will never start this type of nonsense again.
Tamara, na yafe ki. You are my only child. I sent you to the university to come back and take care of my company. Accompanying in Kuma, I have Aliu, whom I want to make him marry you. The two of you be husband and wife and manage the company. Aliu now is the manager. Kuma so yanzu kin dawo, you don't go school, university. You don't get idea, knowledge, pass Aliu. Let me tell you, the other time you said you don't have feelings for Aliu. You must have feelings for him. If you fail to marry Aliu too, and if you say you will not go and manage that company, will lie tell lie that Gamaki, you can never leave this compound. All your time you go to sit down for palo. Can't you go? To any other feelings in your mind, you throw it away. Your feelings should be for Aliu.
Let me be, Papa, let me be, let me be, let me. None we understand how I feel, You don't understand how I feel, It is not about what you want from me. It is not about what you want from me. Yeah. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you see? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you feel? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in
My prince, lunch is served.
Love is blind, not in the heart. Oh, I know what I want.
My prince.
When I see the one my heart beat for, I will know, yeah, I will know. Let me be, Papa, let me be, let me be, let me be. None we understand how I feel, how I feel. You don't understand how I feel, how I feel.
I came back home because I wanted to serve my country, NYSA. But now, my father has seized my passport, insisting I marry a stranger just because of his old friendship with the man's father.
I'm in love, someone is deep in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, someone is deep in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, someone is deep in love. Don't you see? I'm in love, someone is deep in love. Don't you feel? I'm in love, someone is deep in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, someone is deep in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, someone is deep in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, someone is deep in love.
Well, I think I'll take my chances on this one. Yes, I'll apply. I'll never give up until I get what I want. I believe I'll get it. My father cannot hold me down. I will not allow him to hold me down, never.
It's good you came this morning. This shows us the kind of wife you're going to be to our son.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. So what's keeping Prince Emeka?
I've sent for him already. He will soon be here.
Yes, I repeat. Terminate his appointment immediately. I'm no longer comfortable having him leave house. Going there to work. He needs to be around. He needs to be in the palace to learn the route. Yes. I don't know how you do it. SMS, email, whatever. But terminate his appointment. All right.
Terminated? Why? I don't understand. You told me I had the job already, so why? Oh, come on. No, this is wrong. You cannot just treat a man like this. You told me I had the appointment already, so... No, I need to know if I did something wrong. Tell me. Why would you terminate my appointment? What? Hello? Did I do?
He will soon be here. Oh.
Father, what have I done to you to deserve this kind of wickedness? What? Answer me, what have I done to you?
Emeka, how could you talk to your father in such manner, in front of our guests?
Mother, I do not care. Ask this man what I've done to him. Why is he calling all the companies in the south? He's telling them not to employ me. Why?
How do you know about this?
Of course I know, Mother. I have told you, old man, I do not want to work in your company anymore. Take your company. I can fend for myself. I'll get a job. Exactly what I've been trying to do. I get a job in the company, the next day they'll call me and terminate my appointment. I just got one yesterday. They called me a few minutes ago to say that my appointment has been terminated. I pressed further and they told me that it's this man here. This man called them and said they should take my appointment. Why? Can you help me give this man or give it?
Next time you barge in shouting down on me, I will bring your head low down and give you several knocks. Do I make myself clear?
I have gone through the files. So many purchases have no receipt. Suspend all transactions. I want an immediate audit of all our transactions records.
Okay, no problem. Yusuf can handle it.
No, I don't need that. Mr. Emeka, where are you? Come straight to my office.
But
this meeting is over. Didn't you hear me? Leave.
I heard you, but remember you're my betrothed wife.
And so, what does it have to do with office work?
You should be mindful of what you say to me.
Get out.
In one way or the other, you will be mine. Trust me.
Over my dead body. Kafita? Out!
Saying I will, okay? We'll see, my dear wife. My eyes on you. We'll see, my dear wife.
leave me.
Yes, Your Highness.
Madoka,
Your Highness.
I picked you up even as a toddler. And you've remained with me here in the palace up until now. You saw it all. You saw when I took up the crown following when my father joined his ancestors. You've seen it all.
Yes, Your Highness. And it's an honor to serve you.
Good. Today you are the special assistant to the prince, my son.
Yes, Your Highness.
Now I want you to add something to your special duty. Madoka,
Your Highness.
I want you to keep a special eye on my son. Mark him closely, very closely. Be with him. Ensure that he does not leave your side. Ensure that at every point in time you must give a good account of his whereabouts. Whether he's with you or he went out, that you must say that he went out and say exactly where he's gone to.
Yes, Your Highness. I shall do as you have commanded. What are you doing here? You're just admiring yourself alone, all by yourself. How are you?
What is it? What is it?
Don't you know what it is? See, stop all this thing that you are doing your body like this. When somebody's touching you, just be doing as if you don't need it. I know you actually need it too. See, if I hammer you, this one your body is doing you hot. If I hammer you, your body will cool down. See, let me tell you something you don't know. Don't look down on me. I'm a prince, so forget that I'm here doing a chief bodyguard to a prince. You know, it's only a prince that can safeguard a prince. So that's why I am giving the role of a bodyguard to a prince, because I'm a prince. Yes, that.
See, I've told you countless times. I'm not interested.
So you're not interested?
I beg.
Come, let me tell you so. Come now, come this side. First of all, there's something I want to whisper to you. I just want to whisper something to you. You know what it's called? Whisper. Black Beauty.
Maduka, Igwe is coming.
My friend, where is the Igwe that you said was coming out?
You know, I was only helping you.
Helping me?
Yes.
Did I ask you for your help?
What if he comes out and meets you there?
Will you shut up your mouth?
I'm sorry.
Did I ask for your help? If anybody should help anybody in this palace, it should be me. I should be the one to help all of you.
But I'm only being...
Shut up, my friend.
Sorry.
Being concerned of who? Go back. Go back to your post.
Don't bother yourself, Maduka. I'll be fine.
Hey, but my prince, at least give me the car keys. Let me drive you.
I just said, don't worry, I'll drive myself.
But my prince, the Royal Highness commanded me to always go with you wherever you go. It is my duty to always stick with you, please.
Royal Highness commanded you. Don't you have other things to do? There are things to do in the palace. Do them now. Leave me alone, guy. I'll go alone.
My prince, I insist.
Are you mad? You said leave me alone, man. Is it by force? Stay here! Let this be the last time you argue.
Maduka, what happened?
My queen. The prince slapped me because I insisted to drive him just like the Royal Highness commanded me to.
He slapped you?
Yes, my queen.
It's all right. Please return to your duty post, okay?
What nonsense. Sending someone to monitor me as if I'm a child. Sending someone to monitor a grown man like me. What rubbish. Father actually thinks I'm a child. I've had enough. He doesn't know I'm prepared for him this time.
This is the height of it. I mean, why would a maker slap someone I employed to protect him?
No, I won't take it. I won't take that kind of rascality. I won't.
With all due respect, my king, Emeka is no longer a boy. He's a grown man now. Shouldn't he have the right to decide who follows him and who does not?
Well, he's not a boy. There's no doubt about that. He is royalty. And he should know that royal guards are royal authority. They're not to be harangued with. They're not to be toyed with.
It's okay, my king. I've heard you. I will talk to him.
Well, you better do. You do that. He's your son.
Come back here, young man. What's good about this afternoon? Where are you coming from? Here is Maduka. Why did you not let him go with you to wherever you were going?
Father, I'm no longer a child. I'm a full-grown man now. I have the right to go wherever I want, however I want. Yes. Father, for years I've lived under your instruction, under your rule, under your validation. I've had enough. It's time for me to own my life. Excuse me.
Come back. I'm not done with you yet. Since you have grown, developed, moved into a full-grown man and can take care of yourself, then you do not touch any car in the fleet henceforth. And since no guard, not even Maduka, is allowed to accompany you when you move out, then every royal treatment is suspended. Anytime you're going out alone.
I disagree, Father. That car, I bought it with my money.
There is nothing to disagree. Absolutely nothing. The money you bought that car with was made from my company. My company. What argument again do you have?
No problems, Father. I agree. I think it's time to move out of your palace as well. In fact, it's long overdue. I'll apply. Yes, I will apply. My father thinks he can cage me. No way. I'm a man, I'm not a child. My father can take his company. I'm no longer interested. I'll apply for this one. Yes.
Where are you going to? Eh? Who do you want to leave the palace for?
Mother, it's too late. You cannot stop me, I'm leaving. I need to find my own path.
No, you can't. You are not going anywhere. Go back to the house.
Well, it's too late.
Emeka, go back inside. Emeka! Emeka! How do you feel that both of us don't even know the whereabouts of our son? He leaves without telling anyone. You have to do something about it.
Listen, I don't need any of this from anyone. I don't. Emeka is not a child. He is a grown-up. He is a grown-up and he flaunts it. He makes you feel it. He tells you. He announces it. So let me be. I don't want this kind of a thing, not from you, not from any other person. Please.
Is that all you have to say about
Yes.
Oh, well, my blood pressure is going up by the day. This boy leaves this palace now and again. In fact, every morning he leaves the palace and returns only God knows where. Where does he stay? Where does he go to? I just want to find out if there is anything you're using him for in any of your companies or even in your house. Ah, this is serious. Very, very serious. You've not even seen him in the past 3 days. All right. All right, thank you. Bye. Oh, no, it's me. You should know. Please, it's one question. Have you seen my son around? 3 days ago? You were here 3 days ago. I'm talking about anywhere around maybe with your children, with you, or any of your companies. No? This is getting serious. This boy will not kill me. All right. But if you do, let me know immediately. Bye. Rankarede, wallahi tallahi, if everything happened exactly the way you have just narrated it to me. Wallahi tallahi, something is very, very wrong somewhere. Rankarede, when a young ladies like Tamara started to talk towards this direction, something is wrong somewhere. Rankadedio, I will advise Kabinchike investigate and find out why Aliu is misbehaving, why everything is not working accordingly. Try to find out the real cause of that mismanagement. Only after that, I believe you will get to the root of this problem and correct it accordingly.
Abubakar, na'am, ka san maganan ka yanzu shine yasa na ce ka zo. You see why I say make you come? Because I know that you, Abubakar, will advise me very well.
Ranka daidai, ya kamata kuma
will push that nyamri of a boy out of your confidence. Ka gane? Wallahi tallahi ya kamata shi nyamurin banza, nyamurin wofe, dan arnin banza, arnin wofe, ka kore shi. You know how this nyamuri, the way they behave. Kaman sun san abun da suna yi, kaman ba su sani ba. Amma sun san abun da suna nema. Nyamuri kagansu su bar wajensu da gajeren wandonsu, they will come to your place with shatinika. Shatinika if they come with little bag. If you allow him, is come in. Wallahi, give him 5-10 years, he will become is very richer even than you. Still feed people, wallahi. And Dambara. Yeah?
You know, cousin, the way I don't have anything to do with Nyamari. But Tamara, in our one of the Nyamari.
Amma wallahi ya kamata a kore shi. Let him live your confidence. Let him live your confidence. So that Tamara will not calm down with our people. Ai arewa mutaninmu su zauna tare su yi aikin su yanda ya kamata. Ai Nyamuri is a very, very corruption. Let him get out of your confidence.
Now go there. Now go there.
Now go
I think about the advice. Good.
Now go the Alhaji.
Good.
Dr. Donald, it's just to confirm this. Is my son working in any of your companies? All right. It's not. It's okay. Okay. No. It's all right. It's all right. No, nothing is happening. It's all right. Okay now. Got you.
My king, are you sure it's not because you allowed him manage one of your numerous companies? Just one. That is causing all this?
No, it's not. It's not. You know I gave him an option. Yes. He has already lost out with managing that company. Said so himself. Now he is also going to lose out on his inheritance. It's very clear. Marry Helena. And you know why he has to marry Helena? To bring the two families together.
But, my king, you know,
No, see. Don't start stuttering now. I think at this point in time, you should call your son to order. Talk to him. Talk to him. If you know that language he understands better. In fact, the language he understands best, talk in that language. Let him be.
we are saying the same thing. I said I just want to, you know.
We are not saying the same thing. Talk to your son.
Yeah. Yes, this is my new number now. No, I dumped the other two. I don't want my parents to disturb me. Of course not, they don't have this one. You are the only person I've called with this number. Listen. Yes, I know they'll be bothered, but I need to live my life, okay? I need to carve my own life, man. I can't continue like this. Listen, no matter how bothered my parents are, don't give them this number. And don't tell them my... Yes, that's what I'm saying. Do not tell them my location. Okay? Alright, I trust you.
It's okay. I've heard you. Bye. Be careful.
Ali. Okay, I've seen it, but I'll read it first before I sign. And I just told you I'll read it first. I'm educated. I can't just read anything you drop on my desk. I'll read first before I sign.
Miss Sally, what's the matter?
Your Majesty.
What is it?
Your Majesty, I've done everything I'm supposed to do for your son, the prince, to love me. But he doesn't even look at me. He doesn't even find me attractive. I am tired, Your Majesty.
Now, please stop bemoaning your fate. I will talk to my son. I will speak with him and see if this situation could be reversed. For now, come to me.
But why? Why, Emeka? You're meant to sign it. You're meant to sign the document.
I haven't signed it and I will not sign it. Because it's not well detailed. If you bring something to me to sign, it has to be well detailed. Whatever you want to buy, the unit price is not there. It's not well detailed, so I will not sign it.
Come on. See, okay. You're not going to sign it? You won't. It's okay. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the nonsense you kept at the office?
What is it?
They refused to sign the documents.
Why?
I don't know.
Hold on. Hello? Yes, Emeka, why did you refuse to sign the document that you brought to you earlier today?
Is that question supposed to be for me? I see. I should answer you immediately. Huh, you make me laugh. See, you can decide to be stupid, that's your problem, but don't insult me. Can you hear me? Do not insult me. I should be asking you why you didn't sign yours first. And I'm telling you I will not sign it.
Oh, really? Are you aware you're speaking to the general manager of this company and you can be fired in any slightest insubordination?
Ghana Banza.
Yes, I know. And I am the resource manager and I'm telling you I will not sign it until everything is well detailed, then I'll sign. Till then, I will not. Yes, I know. If you want to fire me. But I'm telling you, I will not sign the document.
But Ghana Banza.
Okay, then we'll see then. We will see.
Someone has gone to report himself by himself. Alright, let's see how it goes.
Young man, you're here? Welcome. What's your name again?
My name is Ryan.
Okay. Hold on, let me call my boss. Hello, ma. The boy for the advertisement is here. Oh, okay. Tomorrow, what time, ma? 2:30. All right, ma. I will tell him. Thank you, ma. To. Nagode. Okay. Sorry, my boss is not on seat now. So you have to come back tomorrow by 2:30.
2:30?
Yes. Is that okay by you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry about that. Thank you. I have to be on my seat.
Yes? Who is there?
Madam is waiting.
Okay, come in.
Well, thank you, madam. Okay, I brought the reports.
Okay. Mr. Emeka,
Yes, madam.
I must commend you for your firmness in your decisions and also protecting the company's interest, even when you have the power to do things on your own. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, madam. I'm honored. You're welcome. All right, let me return to my office.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
18?
Yes, he's 18.
But you look 16. Can you turn around? Nice. It's perfect for the advert.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, you know what will happen? You have to contact his parents. They will come in 3 days' time.
Okay.
They have to sign agreement with us. So it's good to go.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's go.
Honestly, Emeka, you're too fun to be with. Can we go do lunch? I'm getting hungry. In fact, I'm hungry. Can we go? All right, I'm coming.
Hey, Oli, what's going on?
How's it going? Who are you talking to before?
Am I the one you're questioning?
Policy harmless person. I just get to know you talking to.
You can leave. I'm going out. I have somewhere to go.
So, Mujetari. So that we can have time to talk about something.
Haba, go back to your office. I'm going out.
Okay, can I call you later?
No.
Okay.
I just hope I didn't sell myself so cheap to profess my love to him. I just hope he feels the same way I do.
Just look at this small poverty-stricken man you chose over me. Huh? I see you everywhere. I see you at the eatery. I see you at the game zone. I see you everywhere with him.
Is this what you came to discuss?
Honestly, I can't believe you could stoop so low to such a person. I can't believe it.
I don't have anything to say to you. Wait until that poverty-stricken man is done with the company's financial audit. Then I will get back to you.
Wallahi, Sena Gema Babanki.
So, when do you want to call him? Now or later? Now leave my office.
Hey, one man. Yeah, okay. Okay. What's going on? I'm good, bro.
You know the idea now. Trying to fix up this.
Good.
Yaronai. Zip shook Banshi.
She done it, and bar from Shausaba. See, I have a plan. Okay?
What's the idea?
Zamuka Tamara. I boil it down. And we put it on.
We need to discuss outside. How to discuss this?
Zuku Jabba. Hurry up, Dada, sorry.
I have been meaning to tell you something. Yes. I don't like the way and the things you've been doing in this palace lately, Nkiru.
What?
Why has your mouth started running like a borehole that lost its control? You talk too much. You talk about everything you see in this palace. Are you not afraid of what could happen to you? I will report you to the Igwe. I will let Igwe know everything that you have said concerning his son, the prince. And you know what that means. You will certainly lose your job.
Please now, please. You know my mom is sick and it's here I'm getting the money to foot her bills and buy food. Please now. If they sack me now, what will you gain?
Okay, you know that your mom is sick and this is where you get money to take care of her. And you are trying to spoil that place where you're getting money. Is it good?
I'm sorry.
But is it good?
I will not do it again.
Yeah, you will not do it again. It's okay, no problem. The thing is, we'll do it this way. If you don't want me to talk, you will play along with me. You understand? You, nekwala, nekwobi, nekwala, nekwobi, nekwimi, nekwono. They are all the same thing. So if you fall for me, I will fall for you, and things will. You understand what I'm saying? Why are you acting like you don't know what I'm talking about? If you do it, I'll keep my mouth shut. I swear to God. But if not, I will tell you.
No problem.
So what you are trying to say is that we can now tangle and mingle up. Wait, sorry.
Wait, what happened? Where are you going?
No, I
thought you said...
I just remember that the Igwe is calling me. Let me
okay.
just consider what I told you, and there will be no problem.
Okay.
They don't know I understand Hausa. So while they were planning, I recorded their conversation. It's all here.
That is good. That's good.
Hold on, I have a call. So, hello? What? When? Alright, I'll call you back. Officer, this truck.
What?
Tamara has just been kidnapped.
Are you serious?
Kidnapped? How? Who kidnapped her? How did it happen? When? Where?
Ransanda, Sunkirani. A police called me, telling me say that my daughter Tamara was kidnapped on her way to office. Say this one of my worker, Nyamirin. Say he was taking my daughter to the office. A car from nowhere blocked them. Akadoka daughter.
Alhaji, I told you, I made this very clear, but you never understand. That Nyamuri, that cowpulling Banza, cowpulling Wofi, he is aware of what happened to Tamara. Let me ask you. Cowpulling Banza, cowpulling Wofi, is he also kidnapped?
He was not kidnapped.
Kaga Alhaji, he flanned it. Wallahi tallahi, he flanned it. Where is that idiot? Tell me. In naked.
So dan sanda sun gaya min wai shine ya zo ya kawo Dudusha police station. He brought himself to police. Tell them what happened.
Alhaji, Wallahi tallahi wannan yanzu nan is not a case of the police. This case yanzu, life is involved. The life of Tamara Yodasa. And kuma wallahi, I will never allow anything to happen to Tamara. Kai Alhaji wannan ba maganar 'yan sanda ba. This case now is not for police. Yeah, if you go to police now, everything they will do is to collect money from that iska. Dan banza in Yamuri. He will pay them from the money you have paid as a ransom. To dan iska kuma cikakken kudin sai ya rike. Ni Abubakar ne. Kuma ka san ne. Dangiwa. Ni Abubakar ka ai Alhaji. Ba ni izini kawai. Give me that right to go to the police. Wallahi, I will go to the police with my people and burn down the police station. I will make sure I will bring that Nyamuri out from them. I will torture him. Make him tell me the truth. Tell me where he is hiding my sister, Tamara. After I am rescuing her, I will bring her home. Kuma wallahi, I will kill her. I will tell her that I am Abu Bakr Dangiwa. Cikakken dan arewa garin mu ne ba Nyamuri labba ne. Nyamuri cannot come here to kidnap my own sister and you want me to allow him to be alive? Wallahi ba zai yi ba. Let me show him that ni cikakken dan arewa dan gida Usman dan Fodio. I will finish him kuma I will kill him. Alhaji kake sai zo na. Wallahi na yi fushi Alhaji. I cannot be sitting when my sister is out there in the kidnapping. Wallahi ba zai yi ba.
Zona tuku. Zona mu yi magana.
I'm sorry I have sought everywhere for the prince, but he's nowhere to be found.
I repeat, where is my son? Where is my son?
Your Highness, I didn't find him.
Oh! You didn't find him. Or you couldn't find him. What is your duty here? What is your duty in this palace?
I am supposed to guide and be with the prince everywhere he goes.
Supposed, you said? Supposed? No, you're not supposed to. You guide him, you stay with him. And when you're staying with somebody, it means you know about his movement. If he leaves, you know he has left. If he's there, you should know. Not come back to tell me you didn't find him, you didn't know where he is. You don't tell me that kind of a thing. And you keep saying it.
I'm deeply sorry, Your Highness.
No, you don't say you're sorry. You do what you're supposed to do. And do it diligently. Not even now. Now get out of here. Get out of my sight. Disappear.
ancestors. O ye gods of this land, my forefathers, I have served this kingdom most diligently. But I have a sense of foreboding, a sense of hopelessness. Why does my son disappear very easily? This is repeated disappearance. It's beginning to get on my nerves. It's beginning to worry me. It's beginning to trouble me. What is happening? What is he into? My ancestors, I hand him over to you. I hand his safety over to you. Keep him. Safeguard him. Protect him from all his adversaries.
This is very, very unbelievable. Officer, this can never be true. Wallahi, it's never true. Why ever one video?
Detective,
Alhaji.
who give you this video? And where is my daughter?
I now Tamara attacking.
The suspects are already in our custody, and the rescue team has gone to rescue your daughter.
Detective, wallahi, you are confusing everybody here. Talk us what we want to understand. Answer our question very well.
Wait, I say, who give you this video?
The person that gave us the video is your resource manager, Emeka Arinze. The same person that drove her the moment she was kidnapped.
I talk you.
Detective, all I want my daughter. Go and buy my daughter for me.
Alhaji, I beg to take my leave now, but I can assure you that everything is under control.
Wallahi, take this thing very, very properly. I am never believed in Yamudi. Let me tell you, I told you from the very day that this Amoka or what is called Aranze, that boy is very, very dangerous.
Those allergy boys wey dey work for allergy company, Aliyu and Yusuf. Na dem kidnap allergy daughter.
Kai.
Wallahi tallahi.
Wayo. I talk am say these two people kinga mutanu could have been now. Wallahi so wuru ni. They are doing like this. You know what they are taking for English say snake in the green grass. Hakasiki. Subiu wallahi.
Igbo people there are them and Bara. I took it. These people has connived to go and find something and bring it. He wants us to believe that Yusuf and Aliu are very bad. Why in the absence of everything, he is the person that is a thief, that is trying to take money from you in the kidnapping. Alhaji, wallahi talai Amoka Aranze or what is a very, very notorious criminal.
Awa kan gaya maka gaskiya. Duk abun da kana faɗa nan duk abun da daidai ne. Na yarda da ke amma I want you to know something. Everything you are talking here is true. But I want you to know that inside the whole Igbo, the whole Nyamiri, where they this place, one person must be a good man. Kaganiko, all of them are not bad. Not every Igbo man is bad. One must be good. Yes, the whole Igbo can never be bad. They must get for one good person. Young man, you are from a very, very good home.
Thank you, sir.
How did you understand Hausa language?
I grew up in the north, sir.
Ah, wow. That's good. It's all right. Thank you for saving my daughter.
You're welcome, sir.
Good. Come, go back to your seat. I will reward you later. Thank you.
Baba, let me go with you.
Okay. This man.
Your Elijah, I am not happy the way you are speaking to that Nyamri. Ya Elijah, Nyamri, I can so mutani. He is in the mastermind of everything that is happening. Try to understand me. Wallahi karka ya da shi, Aliyu da Isifu, wallahi sun gigiya min yanda abubuwa yana faruwa kafin yanzu. The way this boy and the Tamara are going. In fact, even as they are here, you are talking to the boy. I am notice how they are doing their eye.
Abubakar.
Na'am Alhaji.
Abubakar.
Na'am.
Na gaya maka wai. Not every Igbo person is bad. Somebody that saved my daughter is a good person.
Alhaji, he can be flying.
It's okay. It's okay.
He's flying.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you, mother.
Emeka, you never told me say you're a prince.
Hey, Bia, Anofia. Ezwi idiot. You bloodsucker. Sieba poa. What I mean is, leave my house. Oh, you thought we would be dead by now. I am still here. I am standing. I am alive. How is it? Listen, my name is Igwe Arinze. I am the Igwe here, so be careful with that name. Do you hear me?
What's your problem? Don't talk to me that way, okay? If you are Igwe in your place, me I be Alhaji. Ni Alhaji Awurina. Kajiko. Karajina.
Negin oh, here's Kangwage. Sudisi Nani, Sibempua, get out of this place. Blood-sucking demon. Leave this place now before I...
Well, lie to lie. If not, because your son Emeka is a very good person, I could not come here. I could not come here. Come to insult me. Who are you?
Give me corner, Give me corner. Get out. What nonsense. What nonsense. I don't want to see you when I return here.
I'll leave your house. You don't talk to me. Well, I not the get out of our get out. Not the get out of our when they are pinaka. Can I move my car? Kaiwa. Do them water. You know, you can put them water. Shacha, do them water. You can't get your hand at that time. Eh? Kaiwa, you go. I wouldn't carry that. I know I wouldn't make a lot of it. Can I move past on that?
Ijoma, my baby. my baby. The only woman that knows how to turn me on. My love, don't worry. I'm coming back to the village next week. By next week, you will see me in the village. We'll paint the whole town red. Don't worry, I bought that thing for you now. That your number. I know you like a catapult, this thing that you like to wear. I bought it for you. Just cut, my baby. Oh, a business call is coming into my phone. Let me take it. It's my business people. Yes. It's calling me while I was. Wow. Oluchi, my baby. Ole, my baby. My love is not like that. Though. I've been very busy. You know, this my palace work. Don't worry. The money I promised you, I'll send your account number. I'll do the transfer. Oh, I love you. Let me call my original Yuri. Annabelle. Anenwa. Hello? Yes. Annabelle, my baby. The love of my life.
Very good.
I'll call you back. My boss is coming.
So it's not only Ogechi. About 4 other women.
Nkiru, how long have you been standing here?
I heard everything you said. I've been there for a very long time.
No,
yes.
See, the truth is, it's not actually what you think. Oh. These are my business associates.
In bed, right?
No, not. Is it only in bed that they do? These are my business associates. You know, there is a part of me that you did not know.
Oh.
I did not tell you about. There is a story about me before I started working in this palace. I was originally an importer. I deal on crayfish. I deal on onions. I go to Calabar, I buy crayfish, and you know, every crayfish is come from her.
Yeah,
So this other girl, I'm calling her because I'm supposed to send her money to buy the crayfish. Then she will send it to my agent, the person selling for me. That's what I'm into a lot. Then the other one is she's selling boxers for me, and you know, those bra.
How about the other one?
Yeah, that one too is into another. I'm into general merchandise. That's what you don't know. So it's not as if I can't have. How can one man be dealing with 3, 4? Do I want to die?
You know what? Let's pretend as if nothing happened between the both of us, okay? Because I cannot deal with this. I mean, you have different women that you're dealing with. Really?
No, listen now. See, Nkiru, the truth is, Wait, oh, are you trying to tell me that me and you, that we're not going to be tangling again because of what? You see, easy.
I can't do that anymore. I mean,
you know the implications of what you are trying to do. If you do it, I'm going to report you to Igwe. I will tell the Igwe everything I know, everything you have said about him, even his son. And the way you gossip, I will make sure I expose you.
no problem. Go ahead, because I will also tell him about everything you do in this palace. Yes.
So Nkiru, you are threatening me. Imagine you now, so you are threatening me now. That you are going to report me to the Igwe because of... See, let me tell you, this thing that you are doing is not good though. These things, they are one. Let's stay as we are staying
There is
before.
nothing like that again.
Why are you like this now? Can't you forgive somebody?
You've been lying to me.
Listen now, even the Bible says, if there is no sin, there will not be forgiveness. So everybody makes mistake. Even you too now, are you trying to tell me that you don't make mistakes or you don't do this thing?
I feel sorry for Kichi. Yes.
Come now, come, see. Don't be doing like this, so. See, let me tell you. So you are now trying to tell me that you are now a hard nut to crack up, yeah?
Nkiru.
Aranze. That time, Kaduna. That time.
Okay,
Jai.
Nyamri.
Aye.
Kapre Mwanza, it's alright, it's a remember.
You know that Arinze is the father of Emeka. And Arinze is now a king. I went to his place. Arinze was talking to me as if I am a beggar.
Wait, Elijah. Are you talking me that Amoka, the boy in the work you're confident, is a children of Aranze?
Aranze, she is Sarkin Gerus.
Kuma Aranze yanzu sarki?
Sarkin Gerus.
A gare su? Oh, lay. Elijah, kasan me? Wallahi yanzu it is becoming very, very clear to me. Everything that is happening in your confidence, wallahi Amaka is going to in the conniving with my papa for him to come back and fight us, starting from your confidence in the revenge mission. Kai. Alaj, wallahi talai, all this nonsense that Yusuf and Aliu is doing, Amaka is the one in the introduction into them. Amaka is come into corruption all of me for them so that you and me will be very, very annoyance with all of me. And he will now use the opportunity to come and steal your daughter, Tamara. From like that, he is a take over all of my wealth, all of my coffin, all of my money, all of my cow, all of my farmland, every of my building, all of them is take over. Wallahi, Nyamiri. Kai, wallahi. Nyamiri will never stop to learn how to do somebody. Nyamiri kapurin banza kapurin wofi. Abubakar. Ya Alhaji.
Ni ne kana son wayansu.
Kai Alhaji. Yawwa. Alhaji ba ni izini. Ba ni izini wallahi na je na kama shi. Ba ni izini wallahi in kama Amaka ni wani investigation in yi torturing din shi. Leave everything for me, Abubakar. Wallahi ba ni izini. Bani easy ni wallahi zai inje ko ina inda nyamuri amoka yake. I will catch him, I will bring him. I will make sure I take him to a very, very secret place where nobody, no eye in the scene, nobody will know where I am hiding him. I will be torturing him. Wallahi, I will make him to be compassion, to tell me why my papa and him is to come together and plan and how to come and destroy you. Bani easy to call wallahi in chebul obashi. Na kama shi wallahi abun da zai da shi. Kai. Alhaji bani izini. Bani izini. Nje nuna mishi cewa ni dan giwa ne. Nje nuna mishi cewa wallahi he can never come here to do nonsense with our people. They will never succeed. Never. We have to teach them a very big lesson. After all, we are in the want to rule. We are in the want to rule. They are meant to be under us. Wallahi Alhaji, I am talking you from this time. His appointment in the working of your company, wallahi, is termination. All his salary, wallahi, duk kudin da ya kamata a bashi, wallahi ba mu bashi wasu sai ba. We are not going to pay him anything. Let him go and believe that he's Serkin Ubanshi. So let them come here so that I will be teach them a very big lesson.
Abubakar, as you took him, that's how you go be. No salary for Emeka, no allowance, nothing. I don't want to see him in my office again.
Good morning, Alhaji. Wallahi, I am very, very happy. Wallahi, Alhaji, now go there. Let me go and start to work.
Maduka cannot do such. I know him very well. How sure are you about that? I'm very sure. How close are you guys? Is it this close or this close? We are very close. We are very close. Which means you guys have had slept together or something. Yes. We are even planning on getting married. He said you will get married to me. I'm not against you getting married to him. But Ogechi, we need to do something.
Assalamu alaikum Alhaji.
Assalamu alaikum.
In haɗa maka abinci ne.
Daga nan.
Father, at my age, I deserve to know what happened earlier today. You can't keep me in the dark. No.
Emeka, my son, when all this happened, you were barely 8 years old, too young to understand.
Why? Chelo, Apapa. Since he wants to know exactly what happened, I'll tell him.
See, Danjuma, immediately I received your call. I said, let me rush down because I know you always have something better. What is the problem?
Arinze. Problem ID. Problem ID well.
What is the problem?
You know, PC down. Problem ID come. I know talk am.
Yes.
Waiting be the problem for Alhaji Umar and for me. Waiting be the problem. Because Alhaji Umar, I dey go up and down. I dey tell people, say me and my people are be bad people. Alhaji Umar, I dey tell people, say me and my people are be bad people. Alhaji Umar, he don't set am for trap. He dey wait. I jump am, he hold am for me for hand. Waiting be the problem. I call him for me, make I tell me.
Kai, I don't have any problem with him at all.
Kai,
he's my very good friend. But you know he's a gambler, right?
Alhaji Umar na my brother. Alhaji Umar, I dey gamble very, very well. The more I dey lose am for gamble, the more I dey gamble am every day. Millions of naira, millions. Alhaji Umar, I dey put am for gamble. But don't be gamble like join me with Alhaji Umar.
You see, thank you for recognizing that fact. That he's a gambler. Here is it. You know, you always borrow money from me to gamble.
The gaske?
Yes. And he doesn't pay back.
Wait.
Yes. As a matter of fact, now he gave me 3 portions of his land, including that of his house in France Road.
Subhanallah.
And I gave him extra 20 million.
Alhaji Umar?
Yes. I gave him 20 million in addition. So, I don't know what his problem is, but I noticed that after our transaction, he started behaving somehow strange to me, you know, like unlike him. He started behaving unusual. But I don't know what his problem is. So as for me, I don't have any problem with him, Gaskia. Do you understand? So that is it.
Agenzi, I be my plan. You see him for me, I be one. Allah, God, where they am for up. He create him for me, All of me, I be one. Amma kagan Alhaji Umar. Kai Alhaji Umar and my people for Alhaji Umar, I be bad people. Alhaji Umar, I dey go everywhere for this place. I dey go everywhere. I dey tell them for people say, Arinze people, bad people. Make I dey careful pa. Wallahi, make I dey careful. Alhaji Umar, I bad well, I bad. Apo, kai. Alhaji Umar, I bad, la ilaha illallah.
You see, Danjuma, I know that your people are also very good people. You know? Like, when I was coming to this town, I came with nothing. Even my blood brother that I came to see chased me out just because I didn't inform him that I was coming. Yes. But a man took me up from the park. His name is Gishiri. He's one of your brothers, yes. He took care of me, took me to his house.
Gishiri, I don't die.
Right. You know, the little money he gave to me was what brought me to limelight today. Made me who I am.
But I know Gishiri, I don't die, go?
Yes, he's late, man. So rest in peace.
I mean, what?
So, you see what I'm telling you? So, whatever Alhaji Umar is planning or doing, he's just, he's just acting to achieve his own personal interest. I believe he's a selfish man. Do you understand? So it doesn't mean that your people are bad. Do you understand? So whatever he's doing, he's just acting. He's just doing for his selfish interest. So I understand everything, Papa. Thank you very much for this information.
Come for me.
And you're a very nice person. I'll keep it on.
My people nice.
Hello, Jibril.
Jobre, how many times did I call you? Jobre, you know that I need Arinze and his family to be under me and my control. Jobre, anything it will take to get Arinze and his family, do it. If souls will roll, let heads roll. Jobre, you know what I spent. Jobre, you know what I contributed in organizing this riot. I don't want mistakes. Jobre, what did I say? No mistakes! Wallahi. Antaya, what did you hear? I heard everything. What did you hear? Everything.
This blood that you are spilling will not affect my children and I am warning you. It will not affect my children and I. You alone will bear the consequences of your action. Na barka da Allah! Na gaya maka na barka da Allah!
If not that you are my wife and mother of my children, I could have squeezed life out of you. Sheige! Ubwanka! I swear to Allah, if I hear this thing anywhere outside this house, Wallahi, Adaya, I will squeeze life out of you. You know what I can do? Sheige!
I wash the hands of my children and I won't burn children.
Jibril, Alhaji Umar, I call them for me because the problem I don't dey big. Waiting Arinze and my people I do me. I dey pay them for Arinze, I dey pay them for Arinze, waiting be the problem. Telling me, I calling me, make I ask me, waiting be the problem. Me and Arinze, waiting be the problem.
Listen to yourself. Can you hear yourself speaking? You are talking like somebody that is eating from his nose. Huh? Can't you see that our reason is faithful are desecrating our custom and our tradition? Spoiling our gears. They are leaving their body naked. Huh? Using money to spoil our gears, our people.
To wato Danjuma, it is very, very clear that you want to join them. Gaskiya ina gaya ma. Yawa. You want to join them. It is very, very clear. So tell me, to wato yanzu abinda telling me din yanzu nan, you are telling me cewa you are with them. You are joining them. Kai ka gaya mun cewa kana joining din them. Kana joining din da ko? You are joining them. You are joining them. Alhaji.
Kagan Jibril, sai ba tare da kai nake yi ba. Ba na yi tare da kai. Alhaji Umar, I know waiting I be my problem. I don't collect them for millions and millions of naira from Arinze. I use them, I gamble, I lose them, I gamble. I carry my houses, my land, I carry them, I gamble with these people. Now I want collect all my
my abun I want it's back to me. I they say Arizia I bad. Arizia I bad. I they set them for in people up. I want set them for Arizia up because I want collect them for my everything. I want collect them back. Now I they tell them for me say Arizia and people are bad people. Haba Alhaji Umar. I am peli bad wallahi. This thing I am doing, I am peli wrong. I am wrong. Haba.
Danjuma. So you are insulting Alhaji Agabana in my front. You are insulting Alhaji Tawa. You're not gambling. In Alhaji, you're not gambling. Go. Okay, you are using his weakness, telling him he's a weakly. He's a weakly. You are supporting them in Yamurating. All these Banzam Mutani in Agarimu, they are trying to take our position in our land. You are supporting them. Get out supporting them. Why you me and you, Bobby, brother. Haba. Hey. Alhaji Bani. Benin International. Allah. Tanzania Allah. Na sige. Ya ne ka san su ne?
Wallahi ba kowa gida dukan su ba kowa. Ba kowa
gidan nan. Wallahi ƙarya ne. Ku shiga, ku duba. Dole duk wanda kuka gani fitar da su. Wallahi zan tattata ku. Ku duba, shiga. Shiga ka nema ina kike ne? Kawo da nan. Baba ya ne. Wallahi ba kowa I sex everywhere. Wallahi na wallahi wannan. Where are they? Now today. I am innocent, yo. Innocent. Now today, ne. Babu da kaka gani. Babu. Ka duduwa. Babu. Wallahi ƙarya ne. Nobody inside. I'm telling you. Wallahi ƙarya ne. Za mu yi ne ta. Za mu tattaka su. Wallahi za mu tattaka. We will kill them all. No mercy. No mercy. Dan wa. Za mu tattaka su. Kai! Musha! We are not playing, We are not playing. I know. Let's keep going now. Burn to down. I leave some boys there. Burn down. I no mercy. And do one. You want to escape? You want to escape and do one. Do one. What me? Soon as you watch I want to escape. I know mercy. Wallahi no mercy and do wannan do an yamuran da kuka gani wallahi kasa su zamu yi zamu tattaka su dan duru wannan sarku Za mu tattaka su.
Za mu tattaka su.
Za mu dinga tattaka su.
Za mu tattaka su.
Yan buro wannan.
Baba.
We have zarank the blood.
Na'am.
Za mu dinga zarank the blood din nan.
Mana, as I said. No mercy. Baba, as I said earlier. No mercy.
No mercy dan duru wannan. No mercy dan duru wannan. Ɗan banzaye.
What's your back?
Durun wannan ɗan shegu. Alhaji wallahi we search for them. Wallahi mun duba duk garin din nan. We did not see the family of Arinza wallahi Allah. Mun shiga duk cikin garin din nan wallahi ba mu gansu ba. Amma mun kashe wani yarinya din nan one small girl. We kill him for the Allah wallahi Allah. Ko ba haka bane ne?
Kai wawoni. Kai maukaci wawoni. What nonsense are you telling me? How possible could that be?
Alhaji wallahi ina gaya ma gaskiya. I'm telling you the truth Allah wallahi Allah.
Gaskiya ni Alhaji. We search everywhere. Nobody wallahi.
Nobody Allah wallahi Allah.
Where is I body? Where I dey? I don't look for everywhere. Arizia, you don't see me. They call for my number. Arizia, my number I no go. I go for my house. I know Arizia, I know day. And this matter, I dey hot. Call me again. Call me now, I no pick. Wallahi tallahi ni ba abinda zan yi kuma sai dan zo na go. Forget about me. Yawa. Hello. Arinze. Haba bawa Allah, where are they? No, I know they talk about me. You, where are they? Taho, Kazo, come my house. Come, yawa, if you shout corner, my, yawa, I dare, wait. Come. Yawa, hey, hi, Arize, make I come. Past, wallahi, past. Mr. Arize, I come alone. Where my family? Where my people?
No be small thing. I dey for inside market when the riot starts.
Hey.
I don't run go house. I no see my wife and my pikin. I call them on phone. He say they run go my brother and my cousin place for Sabungeri when the problem start. I no come know wetin I go do. I no know how to go that place. Everywhere block.
Hey, this problem I big wallahi, I big. But I know wetin I go do. Me and you, we go polo. I go carry you. I know one Apiam way through the back. We go do am. Nobody I go see me wallahi. We go just polo am. We go.
Okay, abeg, make we dey go. Abeg, carry me. Abeg, make we dey go.
Okay. Shh, come. Make I no talk. Wallahi. Make I no talk. Wa alaikum assalam. She go come inside. Kai. Jibril, my brother.
What are you doing here?
Why?
Everybody is outside. We are ready for the war. Kuma kana nan? Me yasa?
Kagan Jibril, me I dey peel am for headache. Me I don't want all this fight everywhere, up and down and up. Me I don't want fight. I want peace.
Just listen to yourself. Ka ji abin da kake ki faɗa. You want the peace? When the peace, ubon ka da peace din nan. Anya kwa ba wanda kake boyawa gidan nan kwa. Anya kwa?
Kai.
You are not hiding anybody.
You be my brother. I dey comot am for night for my house. How about kai?
You are not hiding anybody.
I'm not hiding anybody. Comot am for my house with knife man. I be my brother for my house. For my house, I dey comot knife for my house. I dey comot knife for my house. For my house. How about you? But nothing I did for my house. Wallahi. How about kai kuma?
Ha. Wallahi, I do not trust you. An iya kwa baka boya kowa a nan gidan nan kwa. You are not hiding anybody.
Boye.
I am suspecting you, wallahi Allah.
Haba Jibril. You are suspecting me. Me, your brother. Haba Jibril.
Wallahi, I am suspecting you, Allah.
I'm peeling headache.
Allah.
I'm peeling headache. I just want to step on my house. You are suspect. Kai kuma ni da kai da uwa ne fa kana mun.
Let me tell you, if I find out you are hiding somebody, and then kuma, wallahi Allah, zan yanka ka. Zan yanka ka. Allah wallahi ina ga ma.
Kai Jibril. Jibril na for my house pa.
Kai, don't warn me. In kana warning dina, wallahi my blood is hot. Kana gida kana hauka. You are doing like a woman fa. Ban gaya ma. Zan yanka kowa a nan fa. Turin uwa. Wallahi za mu yanka su.
Kuma na house I dey comot am for night for me. And I be my brother wallahi. Haba kuma. Well, Abu kuma. Haba. Kai, make I go. I don't go. Hey, go. Kai. Hey. Mr. Rizzi, wallahi, this problem, I fast waiting, I dey think, wallahi. I fast am. Hey, I know what I go do, eh? I go carry me, I go still go like this, make I go by my people, my family. But pa, make I tell you, Mr. Rizzi, forget about waiting, you see Jibril I do, pa. My people for not, they are very like that, wallahi. It is Alhaji Umar. My mind, I don't flack. I dey cause some pipes. Alhaji Umar.
No problem. I understand. No problem.
Yawa.
Wetin I go come do now? I want the waka.
I go carry me. We go find my people.
Alhaji, this one. Wallah Alhaji, I never see them fa. I have searched everywhere. I did not see them for them. Kuma ni na rasa, I am confused. I am confused da izin nan kuma.
Jibril, I cover for everywhere where I ask you where you cover.
Alhaji, I am very sure. Very sure. We cover all of the community. Every corner of the community, we cover everywhere. We make sure nobody can escape in this land. I am very sure, Alhaji. Very sure.
That means somebody is giving Harizi and his people information.
Information?
Yawa.
Alhaji, information?
Yawa.
Yeah. Information? Anybody that is giving any information and then getting them wallah Allah, zamu yanka su. Alhaji, I'm giving you your assurance. I am assuring you, wallah Allah, duk wanda yake ba da information and then land din nan zamu yanka su. I am very sure ai. Kudu duru wannan information da ni a nan garin nan nobody can try it wallah Allah. To, Alhaji, ina gaya ma ko za mu same su. Any place that are hiding wallah Allah a nan garin wallah Allah za mu same su. Allah. Wallah Allah za mu same su. We find out anywhere they are wallah Allah za mu same su. I am assuring you. Alhaji, amma now it is not good. Bara mu bi ta nan. We follow here. To, okay, we follow here. To ba komai. Wallah Allah. To ba komai. Dan zanan duk wanda yake Allah. To amma ba mu je mu ba komai.
guy, come. Come. Yawa. Saluko. Arinze, this place I save for me. Me and my faithful idea for this place. I save wallahi.
Thank you very much, Danjuma. God will bless you.
Thank you, sir. My husband, when you married me, I never wanted to come to this note. Just take a good look at me. We are running up and down like church rats.
My dear, it's okay. Calm down. Everything will be fine. This place is not normally like this. I don't know what just happened. Just calm down. Things will be fine.
Only God knows when this crisis is going to end. You're not safe anymore.
It will end, please.
Arinze, what madam I dey talk? Madam, I say I won't go church. I won't go.
You said you want to go. She said she wants to go back to East.
Yes, I want to go back to the East, Danjuma. I want to go back to the East. This place is not safe.
Daddy, I'm not scared.
No, you don't have to be scared, yeah? Sorry. Everything will be fine. Don't be afraid. You are a man. Be strong. Everything will be fine.
Arinze, this place I don't check them for everything. I check them well. This place I know say for me wallahi. I know say for me. Tomorrow I carry them for my family. I go for my neighbor, Akwa village, my neighbor. I come down for there well. This place I know safe for me.
Danjuma, thank you very much. You have done well for us. God will bless you.
Amen.
I appreciate it. Okay?
My husband.
You get prepared now.
My husband, I'm ready. But the thing is, Oga Danjuma, is there no way we can go back to the East?
East go?
Yes.
Please. I won't go and for East go.
Oga Danjuma, we need to go back to the East.
Hey. Madam, I won't go and for East, Arinze. Okay. Akwai wani gari. Tomorrow, akwai garin Zaria. My name for village Zaria. Tomorrow in the evening, everything, I don't calm down. I carry my faithful, I go for Zaria. From there, akwai mota na dare. I carry am east. I go for east, madam.
Okay, so if we go to Zaria tomorrow, from there we can go to the East, Abi?
Papa, east! Wallahi.
That's not a better option.
No, my husband, that is the best thing we can do for ourselves now. Let's go back to the East for our lives.
That's not a better option.
My husband, that is the best thing we can do. Let's go back to the East. It's better.
Arinze, madam, I won't go for east. Go. I go for east, madam. Tomorrow I go for east.
Thank you.
Kai, wawa. Ina za ka? Ina za ka? Kai. Daga ina ina tambaye ka. Kai. Wait. Where you going?
I dey go my house. I dey go house wallahi. What till I do? What thing you do?
Ina tambaye ka daga ina. Because of you. Alhaji ya rike ni kamar dan banza ko. Because of you.
Wayo Allah, wayo za su kashe ni, za su kashe ni.
Wanka,
za su kashe ni.
In ka yi banza wallahi dan kaje kama.
Kai.
Dan tura ba.
Jibril, wallahi.
Wanka.
Jibril. What did you do? What did you do?
You are asking me?
You just dey come, you dey go house. I dey beat me. What did you do?
I will beat you. Thank you for.
Wayo. Kai.
Uwa.
Kai wallahi.
Useless. In time I'm gonna peace again, wallahi. I will cut off your head. Are you stupid?
Wallahi, me I no fit cow. Wallahi, me I just like fish. I dey chang. I just want all of us we be fish, wallahi.
Please
me, I
don't
like
the
problem. I don't like.
Wanka the sip. I will just took you.
That
is the way. Stupid. Because of you. Alhaji. Yana gani na kamar dan banza. He's seeing me as if I am a goat. Holding me as if I am a goat. Because of you. Dan uwa
wayo Allah kai na.
Durun uwa.
Kai wallahi Jibril.
Ba ka ni yana Alhaji yana gani kamar alin banza.
Jibril. Wallahi me I just kai wallahi Jibril.
Kai shiru mana. Kai shiru da baki. Kai shiru.
Jibril where are you wallahi. Oh Jibril wallahi me I know just kai.
Wallahi I am disappointed at you wallahi. I am disappointed. I am disappointed.
Jibril wallahi you want peace kawai.
Peace ubanka da peace din.
Problem I know good.
Nan kai yankuri.
He is our brother.
Wallahi kai shiru a gurin. Wallahi you are lucky that you are our brother. You know what will happen to you right now.
Abi my brother fa.
Bro ubanka da brother din nan.
Abi my brother fa.
Very stupid brother. Kai you don't go wait. Ya. Shege. In kana so ka faɗa gaskiya. In ba ka so ka yi ƙarya. You understand me? If you like, you talk about truth. If you like, you talk about the lie. Wallahi, do abin da kake. Do banza ne. Shege wawa. If Alhaji come here, you did not talk about the truth. Wallahi don't tika ka. I will command your dick. I put them down to pieces. Then yayya ka buhanka din durun wannan. Shege. Nonsense. Kana banza wallahi Allah. Kana banza. If you like talk the truth, to ga ina Alhaji na zuwa. Alhaji wallahi tallahi I am poor mosque. I don't know where is any people there. Alhaji, I don't know where the people there. Wallahi. I don't know.
Don't cry about that.
Yes. Yes, Alhaji. I don't be lying for you.
Wayo!
Alhaji, don't kill him for me. Alhaji, don't kill him for me. Then Allah, please. Alhaji, please. Alhaji, if you kill him for me, you no go know where the people there. Alhaji, you no go know where the people there. Alhaji, no kill him for me.
Wallahi, wannan kacin ya fara yawa ha. Amma ya kamata ne ba na so. It's getting too much wallahi. Kai, Danjuma. Kaji ko? Kaji. Ni ba na so. Amma yanzu if I watch this rope, please use this very well. Kaji ko? Yeah?
Yaya haka? Me ya faru da kai haka?
Wallahi, I escape.
What?
Wallahi.
A'udhu billahi. What do you mean? He escaped?
Allah, wallahi.
He escaped, Umaru. How? Sobrin! Come now. Whoa. Danjuma! Kike haka! Danjuma! Ke faruwa can da na suke! Me kake? What are you doing there?
Alhaji. Alhaji is here.
Please. Wannan.
Danjuma. Alhaji. Danjuma. Alhaji, please. Peace is all I need, Alhaji. Peace.
Yege.
Alhaji. Ya Alhaji. Don Allah, don Annabi, saboda Allah. Wannan kishi yayi yawa.
Durun uwarka.
The killing is too much.
Ya isa don Allah, don Annabi.
What are you talking about? Me kake faɗa?
I was the person that freed him.
Eh? Kutumar buru uba. To wato kai ka sa a wannan abun ai. You people have been planning against us ai.
Yes. Bahaka. Bahaka Jibril. Alhaji. Beringa Meka. You know these people. They are helping us. Yes. We are one.
We are one, Alhaji.
Remember when my child was not feeling well? It is this same Arinze that helped me.
Very nice man.
Haba.
Nice man, Alhaji.
Too much.
To wato yanzu nan zaka gani. Zaka gani abin da ka kai.
Please go away. Please go away.
Alhaji.
I'm your brother.
We are one. We are one.
Danjuma. Kare banza biri banza. I have told you several times, you will not listen to me. And today, you will die by my sword. You, now it's your time. Someday.
But for late Danjuma, all of us would have been dead.
Father, I've thought about everything you told me.
Good.
What happened in the past. I want to say something.
Yes, I thought you would actually say something. Yes, I'm waiting.
Forgive. Please. Forgive. I don't want to sound stupid. I know it hurts. I know that it's quite difficult to forgive someone who planned such against you. But Father, please. This thing happened many years ago when I was a child. And I'm a full-grown man now. And you have also taught me on different occasions to learn to forgive. Yes, like I said before, I know it's difficult, but it's been long this thing happened. Years have gone by. Yes, I know it hurts, it's painful, but I don't see why it should affect my love life. I don't want to sound stupid. I understand everything you said, but I don't see why it should affect my love life. I also believe that me and his daughter coming together at this point is also for a reason. Yes, you could have died in that attack, but God also kept you alive for a reason. And today the two families are about to unite. Maybe the reason is for the man to look you in the eyes and apologize. And on your own part, you forgive him. Please forgive, Father.
Son. What I am seeing and what I am hearing are products of Western culture, Western influence. Western culture, it has eroded our cultural values. It has so much eroded it, it has made so much nonsense of it, to the stage that some of them are simply comatose, if not dead. I don't know how to begin to explain these things, but I tell you, our traditional values are time-tested. And they are sacred. Maybe someday I will open up more to you. But I also trust that with time, and as years go by, as long as I fathered you, as long as you are from my loins, you will get to understand better. For now, let's leave this matter.
For the sake of our love, he saved my life when his own was at risk. And now my father wants to kill him in 3 days. I think I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do.
Let me be, Papa, let me be, let me be, let me be. None we understand how I feel, You don't understand how I feel, It is not about what he wants from me. It is not about what he wants from me. Yeah, I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you see? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you feel? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Love is blind, not in the heart. Oh, I know what I want. Oh, when I see the one my heart beats for, I will know, I will know. Let me be, Papa, let me be, let me be, let me be. understand how I feel. How I feel. You don't understand how I feel. How I feel. It's not about what you want from me. It is not about what you want from me. Yeah. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you see? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Don't you feel? I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Someone is deep in love. Let me be, Papa, let me be, let me be, let me be. None we understand how I feel. How I feel. You don't understand.
Open for him.
How I feel about what he wants from me. It is not
Lock that
about what
gate.
he wants from me.
Lock it.
Someone is deep in
Amaka, so you have the gut to still come into Alhaji's house after my father for you is insult Alhaji. You still have the gut to walk and enter here. Eh? Kana so ka nuna mun cewa kai mijin kware ko?
I want to see Tamara.
Kana so ka nuna mun cewa kai mijin kware ko?
I want to see Tamara.
Bismillah.
I said I want to see Tamara. My father told me everything that transpired between you and him. And I must say it's a painful occurrence. Very painful. But I was not there when it happened. I do not know the circumstances that led to it. So I don't think I'm in any position to judge anybody. It happened many years ago, when I was a child. Today I'm here. I'm a grown man now. Life has made me meet your daughter. And I'm in love with her. That is why I came here. To tell you the truth, and nothing but the truth. I want to see her.
Will you stop talking rubbish? Amaka, what is your name? So you came into this house to open your mouth and talk us that you are in love with Tamara. Tamara that was given from her children. She was in the betrothed to Aliu. Kai Alhaji, wannan yaro na biya ma cewa he is very, very stupid. He is talking nonsense. Alhaji ya zo mana da halin inyamuri. He want to be confusion us. Amoka and my father Nashi, Aranzim, they are a conniving to come here and fight you. Yes, he come with a secret mission to first of all confusion us, settle am for your heart, settle am for your daughter Samara, settle am for your money, and after he dey kill am for you, he has to settle am from everything you have. Ya Alhaji, wallahi bara mu saurare shi ba. Shi dan bara ne. Kirdin banza kirdin gofi. Arinan banza arinan gofi. Alhaji, ba ni izini. Ba ni izini nuna ma wannan yaro cewa mu ne dan giwa. Let me show this one why we are called the descendants of elephant. Dangiwa, ba ni izini in kashi. Yayan kaka. Tabbatar cewa na nuna maka cewa ni namijin kwarai ba kai ba. Arinin banza arinin wofi. Nyamurin banza nyamurin wofi.
Abubakar.
Ya Alhaji. Aminu alaikum salam. Do yanzu nan ku yi hanzari. Come to the house of Alhaji Umar. Wani arnan banza arnan wofi. Yana so ya rana wani hankali. He want to show us that he is wisdom. He want to prove to us that he is one and all. Wato wai shi namiji kwarai. Yanzu nan da hanzari. Call sarkin gargajiya. Yobe. Da gumzan karami. Da wuri. 4 of you come to the house of Alhaji Umar. Nigeria, I am waiting for you people here. Be very fast. Don't waste time.
Alhaji, who are you calling? What are you planning to do?
Tamara, who I am calling is never important. Kinjiko, after all, you are the consequence of the cause of what is happening. Listen and listen carefully. I warned you. You refuse to listen to me. Thinking that you and that you are Nyamri of a boy. Kun so ku rena mun da Alhaji wayo ko? Ai mun fi karfin ku. Let me talk you. If I hear anything from what is here from my discussion, from anywhere, I will. Wallahi zai yanka ki da yamunin dinki. Gaya miki. You better keep your mood. Shh. Shiru.
I know it's dangerous when you are in this mood. It is better you're screaming than this mood. Please, do not kill him. Forgive him. Papa, please, forgive him. Emeka is a nice man.
How's that boy managed know my company?
Baba, where is Emeka? I have searched everywhere. He's nowhere to be found. Where is he?
Tamara! Are you out of your senses? Kin hauka? Kin fara shan abu ne? Tamara? Kin zama shashaye? Tamara? Are you taking it the drug now? My father for you is asking you a question and you are returning the question with another question. Baba yana yi miki tambaya. Kina dan bashi amsa kuma da tambaya. Are you out of your mind? Hey Tamara, what is wrong with you? Will you come here to your answer? Hey, give me the address. Wallahi, the chicken naked. Stop with you, Kai Alaji. You are giving this again too many opportunities to be insulting us. Just look at your daughter. Do you know if that Nyamuni has a brainwash her? Next thing now, she will be a compulsion to their religion. I am cooking and you don't want to understand me. Kai Alaji, when he is in it, let me get it in town. So that she will come back to her senses. Can I want to kill her? If you leave her, she can do it and I do. We get Nyamuri.
Tamara, Kitashi, stand up and go to your room. Stop. I don't want to hear you call that name, that boy. Don't call that boy name again in this company. Kentiko, Bana so jisunanshi abakinki.
Many hours, what is keeping you people? That's it, Hanzari. I ask you people to be very fast about it. Wake Farwa. Or do you want Alhaji to settle it down before you are coming? Queen Hanzari wana. Don't delay. Ko sai Alhaji idan zuciyarsa
Abubakar. Ya Allah. Let me tell you something. I don't want to see anybody in this my compound. You hear me? I, Alhaji Umar, can take care of myself. I don't want to see anybody. Okay? I don't want to see anybody here. I can handle everybody, any problem I can handle it. Me, Alhaji Umar is a strong man. I can kill anybody I want to kill. Kaji, don't want to see anybody. I, Alhaji Umar, you know me. You know me, that I'm a very strong man. Nobody can fight for me. I am strong. I can kill anybody.
I'm not happy. I left my father's house just to come see your son, only for him to ignore me. My queen, does he think men don't come after me? I'm not happy. Your son is treating me as if I'm trash.
Helena, my daughter, you have to be strong for my son, Emeka. He is facing a lot of challenges with his father. This is the time for you to stand by him and prove your love.
It's not easy, my queen. I only want him to love me just the same way I loved him.
And he will. Yes, he will. Helena, I understand you very well. The king and I will handle this. Okay?
Okay, my queen. I will take my leave now, my queen.
It's all right. Say me well to your parents.
Okay, my queen.
Said your father have told you everything. Did your father told you that I, Alhaji Umar, I killed? I am a bloodsucker. I suck blood. Nation genius. I suck blood.
He told me.
Good. Your father, did he tell you that I do not have forgiving spirit? He told you? Then what are you doing here?
Sir, I came here because I love your daughter.
Will you stop that nonsense? Kai Alhaji, wannan dandan bara ne. Wani iri ne?
Abubakar is okay. Fita daga nan. Get out. Get out. Alhaji, wannan wait. Get out.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Samara is here to see you.
Emeka is in my house right now. He came to see me. My father locked him up. He wants to kill him. I'm here to surrender myself. Take me, kill me, do whatever you want to do with me. I'm ready to die.
Kinte bata, abunde kike fada gaskiya ne.
Wallahi to lie, gaskiya ne.
Alhaji, Shegun Inyamurin nan, they have succeeded in killing our daughter. They brought this letter that we should come and carry her cups in Waja. Alhaji, I am here just for you to bani izini kawai. Bani izini yanzu in je gida in yanka Amaka. Yes. An eye for an eye. I kill Emeka and will write them letter and tell them who I am.
Abdul.
Bury your people, let me bury our own.
Abdul Bahaka.
Oh, don't tell me that. It's a minor wallahi.
What I am saying is that she arisen the Nasani. There is no way Arisa will write this letter, wallahi. Berub the item number.
Wallahi Karianka.
Berub the.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you know what you are talking? You are telling me to be careful. Where's Nyamuri?
Arnhem Bunza, Arnhem Wapi, you have succeeded in killing our sister, and you are telling they wrote us. Look,
why is your blood every time? Every time your blood is hot.
This
What
is
is your problem?
your people are having, your family. In fact, that is the reason we are even killing your elder brother. Listen and listen carefully. Don't push me. Ismaila wallahi tallahi na rasa da girman Allah da na annabi. If you did not take your careful, wallahi zan yanka ka.
Alhaji, ya Alhaji, abin da nake faɗa shine, if you will allow me, we will go to see Arinze. You follow me and go there. We have been living with these people for plenty years and nothing has been happening. Nobody is killing anybody. So why is Abdul telling us to go and kill people?
Arnam Banza, Arnam Wapi. We very careful. Be very careful. What is your problem? Let me do what I want to do. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid.
Abubakar.
Somebody that is killing you. Kai Alhaji.
Abubakar.
Alhaji. Wallahi ni dan giwane.
So where did you get this letter from?
What is the essence of knowing from where I get the letter? Listen and listen carefully if you must know. This letter was dropped in Alhaji's house. Na je gida in ga da Alhaji shine su kanun mun letter nan. Renin wayo, renin hankali, halin nyamuri, ɗan dambara. Wallahi it is time will tell them wannan garin mu ne, ba garin su ba. Nyamuri wallahi za su koma garin su. Wani
aka da kita mana lafiya mana.
Be very careful. Tell me to keep quiet. Kai be very careful. Ni dan giwa ne. Wallahi kai Alhaji wani izinin.
Ba zai ba izinin ba.
Ai nyamuri ba su gari su zo ne. Wallahi garin mu ne. Sai mu kore su gaba da. Zan tare da zanga zanga. Wallahi sai na kore su. Be very careful. Wallahi be very careful. Ismail.
Ya Alhaji. What I am trying to say is this. Despite your differences with these people, they have everything is in the past. Everything that has happened is in the past. Yanzu kuma, now we are in the now kenan. So, na so yanzu mu je mu gan shi igwen din. Mu je mu gan shi. Mu yi magana da shi.
Kai Ismaila, be very careful.
Kai Abdul.
You wallahi, I will tell you the consequences of your action. Be very careful, fa. Karaji. Stupid.
I wish I had the chance to allow my son, Emeka, decide on who to marry or who not to marry. I wish I could turn the hands of time. Now I am face to face with life circumstances. I wish he could reverse. I can't help but want my son to be at least alive for me.
What are you doing here, Alhaji? I repeat, what are you doing here?
You say, Arinze, I know I offended you. I've searched my conscience. I see that I offended you. I have resolved that even if I no kill your son and you kill my daughter, no problem. No problem. Because me is going to pay me that my daughter, Tamara, is dead. But I offend you. I wish my daughter Tamara is alive today so that he go marry any person he won't marry, no minding the tribe and religion. Wallahi, please Arinze, forgive me. Kajuku, please. Arokeka, I want you to forget everything the past, everything in the past, forget it. It's me, forget. Please, and forgive me. Please, forget and forgive me.
Alhaji, I've heard you.
Yes.
I've heard you.
You say, thank you. Your son is a good man. Wallahi, your son is a very, very good man. He saved my daughter. Wallahi, not mind him. He saved my daughter. He saved my daughter. He's a good man. Please.
Ama Kagani. Alhamdulillah. Alhaji, Tamara, your daughter, is in my house.
Huh? Tamara?
Baba?
Hey, Tamara! Tamara! Tamara!